Welcome to my channel Alex Bine. The German automaker is preparing to premiere the second generation of its popular crossover Volkswagen T-Roc 2026. The front end here is completely new, made in the style of many other new products of the company. Headlights of a simple shape are united by LED strip of parking lights, and the grille is located lower in the bumper. The rear end will also be tweaked to match the brand's current style, unifying the lights with an LED strip running across the logo. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.